Afternoon. It is. I've been filming all day, and it's March 28th. It's 2:21. So I have been dealing with high-low blood sugar and a cranky toddler. And here are screaming. Anywho, this is lunch. Kids are eating. They have their salad. My salad's a kale of mix. It's a mix of kale and spinach. There's some tomato in there, some onion, and cucumber. A splash of balsamic vinegar. Just a splash. And I have a piece of grilled tilapia here. Onion on top. And so this is it. And this is pretty much my heavy meal of the day. And I'm still not feeling all that great, but hey, it is what it is. And I don't think we're going to get too much done today because yeah. Anywho, if you guys enjoy, thumbs up, subscribe, and like I said, I will see you in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow.